Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to sign in to My English Lab, or for short, the MEL, M-E-L. Now, we will always go to our Google Classroom to get the class links. So again, go to your Google Apps icon and then click on the classroom icon. Go to your ELLC class, go to your classwork tab, and click on your class links. Then you will see the sign in to Pearson link right here. Okay. And then you'll be able to sign in. I want to show you one more thing. If you close that and go to My English Lab homework information, you will see what the sign-in information is. In order to sign in, you will need a username, and the username is HC plus your student ID number. So example, HC123456. Everybody's password is going to be Hubs123. Hubs123. When you first sign in, it will ask you to change your password. We're not going to change it. We're just going to add Hubs123. And let me show you what that looks like. So you're going to put in HC plus your ID. I'm just going to use my name because I have it set up a little bit differently. Okay, so I'm going to put in Hubs, H-U-B-B-S 123. And I don't think that worked. Let's try that again. There we go. And let's click the sign in button. Now, when you sign in the first time, it's going to ask you to change the password. Don't change it, just repeat it. I'm going to turn the little I on here so you can see that I'm going to just repeat it. Hubs123. Hubs123. All right? And then click Change Password. And then click Sign In. It's going to ask you one more time. Again, HC plus your student ID. And then, again, Hubs123. And now you will be in, and you will only have to sign in one time after this. So remember, you go to the Google Classroom page and you click on the link to the My English Lab, and then you sign in with HC and your class ID number, and then you have the password Hubs, H-U-B-B-S 123, and then you'll change that password, but you will really keep it the same and put Hubs123, repeat Hubs123, sign in, HC ID number, Hubs123. Thank you.